YouTube, we are back, boys. Yeah, I'm finally back. I've been sick for the past week, so but yeah, we get to drive this thing again. But today, puntahan ko lang si Lenim. We're actually celebrating Valentine's 1 week late, but you know, it is what it is, man. I've been sick, but we back on that grind. But yeah, gonna ship some orders first, and then yeah, maybe buy some shits. I don't know. Traffic, boy. Tunnel time. Sarap. Pogi ng Range Rover sa likod. Carrera S. Gotta fix our have to fix first our Valentine's surprise. Ayoko ko na lang ganyan. Okay naman na. Understandable, lovable, forgivable. But we got some flowers for her. Can't believe it's 1 week late. Not bad. Ngayon lang ako napag-drive after 1 week. Sheesh. I'm back with my first love when I was 13. Bro, bakit dumadama yung tawag dito? Di ko alam, di ko naman na-scrape yung iba eh. Pero bakit natatanggal yung mga paint? Or talagang sobrang pangit lang ng quality talaga nung pinagawa ko. Parang gusto ko nga ng ano eh, mas extended na exhaust tip eh. Sheesh. Siguro mga ganyan. Angas. Baya. Tuwain ko na si Baby Cakes para bumaba. Tapos paparecord ko sa kanya. Let's see your reaction. Alright, time for the surprise. FB. Time for the surprise. Yeah. Kunwari paparecord ko yung cold start. Para tayo makikita niya sa likod. I got your favorites. Oh no, to know.
To know.
Well, di ko naisip yan. Pero yeah, I even bought these.
Cute.
Happy Valentine's, B.
Kaya ako.
Yeah, let's go. Ay, kami sa Tagaytay, then yeah, yun lang naman. So, tunaw na yung Malteser. Hindi ko naisip. Ito kasi yung trend sa Instagram, ginaya ko lang eh.
Ano pa to ah?
Well, open ko na nga yung ano. Gusto ko ipasok?
Ha?
Gusto ko ipasok?
Pasok mo lang.
Tunaw. Malapit to sa ano eh. Sa DEBIAS. Kuha na kaya akong carbon hood. Kailangan ko rin kasi bumili ng ano eh, dipstick for ATF. Kasi parang madali siya matanggal. Kaya nung nag-dyno kami, ako nasabi ko na to. Eh, may mga natapon na ATF. Pero chinek ko naman yung levels. Okay pa na. But let me know in the comments if should I go for carbon fiber Mugen RR hood or keep it black. Or Mugen RR hood na black. I don't know, man. Parang ganda rin ng carbon fiber eh. Kaya yeah, I'ma see. Ooh, never gets old, bruh. One more pull. Ang sarap. Ganda talaga ng paddle shifter ko, man. Sheesh. Twin, where have you been? Nobody know me. I just miss driving, bro. So probably bukas or the next day baka mag-vlog ulit ako. Tambay lang ulit, you know. Gusto ko pa rin na Eclipse though. Kasi yung una kong kotse na gustong bilhin sana. GST, GSX, parang ganun. Hindi ko pa kasi siya naaral pero yun yung gusto ko talaga. 2-door pero 5-seater I think. Hindi ko alam kung makakaupo ka ba dun sa likod comfortably. Pero yeah. Gusto ko rin yung Toyota Celica. May nakikita ko malapit sa amin nun. Tapos pero Eclipse talaga gusto ko pa rin. Naririnig ba sa camera yung ano? Hear that? Bruh. Parang kakalas yung tin flexing ko eh. Hindi mo kakalas ang coilovers, diba? Bro, I'm scared. Angola. I finally arrived. Bro, may rubbing na malala kanina. My tire is cooked. Although dito lang eh, no? Yeah, no worries. That bit clean. Sheesh. Yeah, let's eat. I'm famished. Wide na ba? Yun. Ngayon, nalaglag yung wide angle lens eh. Ay, wide angle. Wide angle lens. Malady. Let's go. Yeah. The view. Di kita. Wowie. Maui, wowie. Bro. Move on na ulit. My fear. I think kailangan na talaga yung sealant on top of the screws. Yeah. Sheesh. Back to this problem again. Before we head out, since wala masyadong clips ng labas ng kotse kasi nagdadrive syempre, so ano mga kwenta ko. So if you're a first time viewer, We got the Mugen R body kits, fiber, single exit kasi walang plastic na single exit. So pinasadya ko yun. Plastic, side skirt, plastic, chin and front bumper. Tapos nung pinapaint ko yung fail, hindi nilagyan ng plastic primer kaya ganyan. Tapos pabalta ko rin yung fog lamps pala. Sa bahay lang yun, hindi ko pa nasikaso. Then we got the Rota fake C28s. Yeah, 2.0. Ito yung palatandaan. Although I think pwede kasi ito gawin ng 1.8 eh. May nabibiling ganito. Pero wala namang bakas ng cheek light. Siguro yun na lang yung palatandaan pag may bakas siguro or ewan ko. Tapos ano ba? Yeah. Plastic wing. Tapos pinamasilya ko yung gilid para wala yung badges. I mean walang slot sa badges. Kasi nanggal ko yung 2.0 here, Honda emblem, kaso butas. Kaya every time pinapa-car wash ko ito, tinataypan ko eh. Baka malagyan eh. Although sabi naman nila, lalabas lang daw yung tubig. Pero hindi ko makita sa yung labasan niya. Yeah, de-badged. Tapos full exhaust. Siyempre, Jazz Racing number 1. Tapos pinatune natin kay Midnight Street Performance. Ito may mga tanong sa comments. Yung steering wheel, saan ko nabili? Ay wait, yung pa pala. Yung steering wheel sa Secret. Ayoko ko ilik eh. Pero ito yung steering wheel. Oh my god, sorry. Yan, steering wheel carbon fiber. Sa Alcantara suede airbag cover with gloss black na logo. Anong tawag dito? May tawag dito sa texture na ito, nakalimutan ko lang. Tapos LED na hindi ko pa nakabit, RPM display. Tapos carbon fiber. Carbon fiber paddle shifters. Ngayon lang naman. So punta muna kaming Alabang ulit. Alabang naman tayo, B. Since she wants matcha. Yeah, I'm see you in a bit when I'm cutting up in traffic. Sarap. Nakita mo yung cut up niya dun sa ano? Sheesh, that's crazy. But anyway, I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Let's go. Yo, where do I actually? Bro,
Head toward Maharlika Highway, Pan-Philippine
where,
Highway.
bro?
Head west. Head toward Maharlika Highway, Pan-Philippine Highway.
Yes, sir. Was 95 full tank. Ah.
Sa pamilya ko, nasa ibang bansa eh.
Hey. Libre na boss, no? Na-shoutout naman eh.
O ano pala ngayon? Libre na ba? Naka-shoutout na
Libre
tayo.
full tank.
Sa akin lang to eh. Full tank ko na to palagi.
Yun.
Oh, I got what you need and I keep telling me, get with there outside. You know what it is, so we got the reason, but the end of the reason. Malaki lang tingin sa baba, dumi, maganda mo sabihin, alright. Meet me outside the club, 1,000 fuck shit up.